Hello everyone and very good evening to all of you. Huge thank you to all my viewers and all my subscribers in offering me your support and your feedback on what could I do to improve my video presentation. One of the feedback was to change the venue of my video presentation because of noise distraction. I apologize. This is the same old venue which I use normally to shoot my videos with minimum noise distraction. Because if I choose any other location in my house or even out of my house, I'll be more exposed to the noise distraction because my house is very close to the main road. I apologize, but I promise I'll definitely look into it and do something about it to minimize the noise distraction and to change my venue for future video presentations. Please give me some time for that. On that note, let's get back to the subject. Are you worried? Do not worry. What is this worry all about? Worry is about something that is not present, something that is not real, but we are all scared about it. We often consume a lot of time worrying in the present moment, thinking about the past event that messes up everything and creates roadblock on our tomorrow's opportunity to succeed. Worries definitely create unrest as we operate with this mindset in order to prevent the unrest of future. We keep staying or worrying in the present movement for something that did not happen. The insecurities, the uncertainties also will make us to worry more. For this, you need to take conscious effort, push your comfort zone and take corrective action to deal with it. Get up, do something. Get help. Talk to someone who can help you, whom you can trust. You definitely need to talk about it and get help. Take corrective action. One of the suggestions that I would like to give you is practice meditation and mindfulness, which is very important because it helps you to become aware of the present moment, helps you to stay in the present moment, and helps you to anchor in the present moment. Once you have anchored yourself, it reduces the stress hormone, helping you to deal with any stressful or any worrying situations. And another thing what you can do is changing your thoughts that are worrying to the positive affirmations. For example, we think commonly by saying, oh, I'm not feeling okay, I'm not feeling good. Replace it with positive affirmation. It's okay not to be okay. I'm going to be okay. I'm going to be good. And I'm positive about it. Repeat these affirmations until and unless it becomes a true reality or a true version of yourself. So, how did you find this information? I hope you have enjoyed because a lot of you could relate to this subject. Thank you for watching my video. Until my next release, take care, stay safe, bye-bye and happy learning.